Hi guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I co-wash and technically deep condition my hair. So I normally do this about once a week, but then I heard about something called Chebe, and then I was like, oh my gosh, we should really try this because it retains your ends and your hair, because you know when I model a lot, then all my hair is like breaking off, and I just do not like that because I don't want my hair to get short. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And now let's get started. So these are the products for today. So we have our TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and I literally just love it. It smells good, and my hair even loves it. And then we have an oil of our choice, which is Sesame Seed Oil, and we have our Chebe Powder. It smells like gumbo. That's good. Okay. Before we get started, I have my hair split into 4 sections, and then my mom is going to wet it down really good with my herbal tea mixture. So it has like green tea, nettle tea, hibiscus tea, horsetail tea, and just like whole other teas that are good for my hair. So okay, let's get started. The last step is for all this good stuff to soak into my plastic cap. Make sure you let it sit for about 30 minutes.